Any more attack, private jet will come.
Hello guys, I would like you to watch this video till the end. I would like you to hear what this guy said. Yes, I know he's one of the people that dragged Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Yes, he's now coming out. He's coming out to say that Evangelist Ebuka Obi cannot be dragged. My dear, please watch this video to the end. That is how it's going to be. They will be confessing one after another. Yes, hear what he said. And he said exactly the truth. Nothing but the truth. Yes, so Zion, we move.
Evangelist Prophet Ebuka Obi, the CEO of Zion Ministry Movement. Unuji of Chalofanta, where Malo. Kangwa drag Ebuka Obi the other car. Drag. Ebuka Obi but dragging nowhere because Ebuka Obi were most love fans and the most dumbest church attendance in Nigeria. Adama Agwaria Kobolo. Wow, that the worst people that you can advise is people that is going to Zion. So dragging them is wasting your time. So abone na drag Ebuka Obi. Even Magwari is that stop wasting your time. Come if for your man, you keep your own opinion. On expose you are wasting your time because it's just wasting your time.
The more you say, the more people come. You know, Ebuka na Facebook. Anybody that is attacking me is promoting me. Any attack on Ebuka, watch it is promotion. Anna who's on Zion. Watch the other time when the whole attack was much was when somebody brought Tesla 100 and something million. This last week and last 2 weeks attack was much, right? They brought G-Wagon and Range Rover. Any more attack, private jet will come.
You have heard it, guys. Any more attack, you will see private jets. Exactly. Yes, sir. Our great prophet has said it. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most importantly, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload an amazing video just like this one you're watching, YouTube will notify you. Thank you. I remain blessed. I remain your sister, Zion Vlog TV. Bye.